Listen, if you have a 9 to 5 job but you still dream about making money in the markets, this is for you. No quitting your job, no risking your life savings, just a simple automated method to grow your account while you keep your 9 to 5 security. Stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how. Here's the truth. Most day trading advice is made for people who can stare at charts for 8 hours a day. You've got meetings, commutes, and responsibilities. You can't babysit the market, and that's okay. You need a strategy that respects your time and still gives you a real shot at growing your account. Here's what I discovered. You can trade the most powerful market moves without sitting at your desk all day. Specifically, focus on the first 15 minutes of the US market open, high volatility. Set your risk and profit targets ahead of time. Use an automated strategy that detects breakout opportunities. Let the system handle the trade, even while you're at work. Let me show you a live example. On April 10th, using this exact method on the ES futures, the strategy caught a beautiful 80-point move. That's an $8,000 win on the ES, or $800 on micro ES with 2 contracts. I have another video that breaks down this strategy. And the best part? The system triggered automatically. I didn't have to watch it. I was at the gym growing my account while working out. If you want to do the same, here's your 3-step game plan. Step 1, set up a free NinjaTrader account or your broker's platform. Step 2, automate a breakout-based strategy. Step 3, use a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Let the trades play out. You don't have to quit your 9 to 5 to win at trading. You just have to trade smarter, not harder. This is the way of the modern trader. Less stress, more freedom. I'll see you in the next one.